What's going on, y'all? Today is Thursday. It's actually 8 o'clock right now. We're going to a local car meet for the first time in a long time. So I'm about to head up and meet up with the scrape dudes or whatever. So meeting up at the gas station by my house. Yeah. Got my boy Andrew here. You guys know with the green Civic. Got my boy Saddam over there. You got a CRV. Yeah, should be a good chill vlog. Let's get it.
Just behind us. Yo, that shit sound good, I'm not gonna lie. That shit had 300,000 miles and it for us?
Look at two.
That isn't NBX, no? Oh, no.
Two guys, car out. Powder coated the wheels. Yo, CTR wing on this shit?
Gas tank there. And where your carpet at?
Shit, nah, this shit good like this. Nah, it look good like this.
I need to take all the sound ending out.
Yeah, some dry ice or just take a...
Nigga, I'm gonna get them big ass blocks of dry ice. Let this shit sit overnight.
Nah, you don't have to let it sit overnight, bro.
I'm not smoking here. Do you not know who the fuck I am?
Nah, but it's a it smells like cigarettes.
Bro,
it smells like cigarettes. You smell it. That ain't weed smell. That's cigarette smell.
This shit fine.
over here right now. Everybody's over here. Car's acting fucking weird, dude. Car's like driving like shit. So, and I gotta get. I was supposed to go today to get my spark plugs, and I woke up late, so I wasn't able to get my spark plugs. But the car's literally driving like shit. And my seatbelt broke too, so I gotta buy some fucking quick eBay seatbelts. Two guys, hatch out. Time to go. That's what dickheads do. Bro, people want to do donuts and burnouts and be revving. I'm out of here. I'm not waiting for this shit to get crowded. I'm out, yo. I'm out of here. You think I'm gonna sit here? This shit about to get crowded. I'm out.
I'll wait till the end.
Out of here. And it's the worst. People want to be meatheads and be doing fucking burnouts and shit. Yeah, right now, 2 cops just came right now, yeah. What up, guys? What's going on? Obviously, as always, I forgot to close out the video. So I want to close it out now. I just wanted to say thank you guys for 23,000 subscribers. Also, I want to tell you guys to turn on notification because a lot of people are saying that they're not getting notified. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications to be notified when I upload. And yeah, I've been trying to put out videos as often as possible, but it's pretty hard. Like I've told you guys before, my build is actually going to be going really, really slow because there's a lot of parts that are not even in stock, and Full Throttle doesn't even know when they're going to be in stock. So yeah, a lot of things are going to take time. Just, I'm just taking my time. I'm not really rushing or anything like that. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Peace out.